we need to talk about how the dollar is not going as far as it used to. We still want to make our spaces cute, right? But how do we do that now with inflation being as high as it is? So today I have some tips for how to make your college apartment and dorm more cozy and like put together, and just ways to elevate your space that aren't gonna break the bank. So to start, mirrors or anything with a reflective surface. If you can use mirrors in your apartment or dorm, it's really gonna open up the space because it will reflect light. It will make it almost feel like you have extra windows. It will make your space feel bigger than it is. And then it's nice too because you have different areas that will catch different parts of light in your room. And then it's nice too because you can check yourself in the mirror, make sure you're looking good as usual. One of my favorites is this cute little one from Amazon. This one is so cute because it adds not only iridescent light, so color, but also reflects light just as a mirror. I have these two mirrors from IKEA and I love these so much. It's a must to have a full-length mirror so you can see how your outfits look. One thing that I also love for a space are tapestries. So one is this one behind me, and this one I got from Society 6 and I love it. The scene is so peaceful. I love the colors. It really ties into my pillow here, and I just like having that kind of more calm, serene picture in my bedroom where things are more relaxed. I also have this one from Urban Outfitters that just says take it easy, and this one I think is just a really good reminder for if you are in school, because with all the stress from grades and everything, it can be a lot, and I feel like we have to remind ourselves to calm down and take it easy and relax. And what I like about the tapestries as well is it adds texture. Of course, you need good lighting in any space. I really enjoyed finding fun little ways to add light to my space. I have two little lamps, and these are just really nice when it's evening and I don't want the big lights on, and it just adds a really nice ambiance and glow. I have a sunset lamp, and this is like one of the best things I've ever purchased. So I just got this one off of Amazon, and it does the trick, and it's really nice in the evening, and you can change out the colors of the lighting. It kind of makes my room feel more like a chic lounge or something instead of just, you know, the apartment. It's a lounge. Too, this one is really nice. I have on my desk, and it's just fun because you can change the lighting and color settings of this one. So depending on your mood, you can have it be a solid color or you can have it change, and also just elevates the mood. We've got a lounge type vibe, and that's what I want. Of course, coffee table books or any book really can kind of add a more cozy vibe to a space. I have these two that I recently bought. One is a cookie recipe book. I just like the cover, but also the recipes in there are really good. This one too, The Resident Dog, so cute. I love interior design and I also love dogs. So this is like the perfect combination of two things that I really like. Of course, fake plants. I used to be obsessed with plants. I had like 30 at one point. I would go to the nursery all the time or Home Depot and get a new plant. I know like all the names. I think I had a fiddle leaf. No, I never had a fiddle leaf because those were too expensive. I had monstera, I had a prayer plant, I had a ZZ plant. I had all these plants and I would take such good care of them. But then after moving here, I was like, the upkeep is kind of a lot if you have a busier schedule. Fake plants are just so easy. You can switch them out, and I just don't have to worry too about the bugs, because the bugs come with the plants. And that was always really annoying to deal with. So I have these faux plants. Some I got from Hobby Lobby, which are great because Hobby Lobby is always having sales and coupons. So this little bouquet I made, I got half off. These are from Target, and I love these. They're just really minimal and clean, but add green. And I think anything you can add to your space that adds a bit more nature can really help make a more serene environment. And then next tip would be using what you already have. So this stuff in my kitchen area, I already had. The wood spoons and utensils are from Home Goods. White container is from Muji. And then I have this really pretty ceramic cutting board from Anthropologie from a while ago. And then this bowl from Target, which I usually put my bananas in. I already had these items. Like, it just really, I wanted to go and buy new stuff because who doesn't love to shop? But I didn't really need to, and I was able to combine these items to make the little kitchen area more homey. Same with the candle in this area. Using magazines is so easy to add like a little bit more dimension to like your coffee table. So I have 2 magazines. It's just such an easy way to add a little something to your space, but that's really not going to cost you money. Thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.